The performance that you're about to witness is from Narangi cultural troupe. This is a depiction of the Gosem Lam, which is one of the most treasured traditional music instrument of the Kuki peoples. In olden days, it was played by the men during courtship, while wandering through the village, and even in part of traditional dances. Today, very few know how to play this beautiful instrument. This dance performance is therefore a tribute to the Gosem dance, a heartfelt effort to revive and celebrate the Gosem land, the dance of our heritage.
Luba honga to thata ki thoa hite banga chung pangwa hin culture troupe ho safe soon azana practice the ball pewa hite banga hoi ta vibrant display effect sa devin bon cha ba chunga ki pathu isu nu na hi hate khut ka bank ki te
Now we will witness the Kulkon Lam from Narangi cultural troupe. According to folklore, the Kuki peoples are believed to have originated from a cave. The Kulkon Lam or the cave dance is regarded as the first traditional dance of the Kuki peoples. This beautiful depiction of Kulkon Lam was revived and formulated in the 1970s in Southern Hills region, cycle from a very small yet culturally rich village called Kangpizang. The Kulkon Lam is a portrait of the journey of Pu Chongtu, Pu Songza, and Pu Jahong from the darkness of despair to the light of hope.
pipi alam nom yang lam the ye Kipaong Val Zengin